there is an intersection between tech and creativity, and now it's being accelerated by AI, because now you can build almost everything with AI. Maybe you want to build a game, but you don't have a capable laptop, or you don't have the time to learn all that. You can actually build faster with AI, so you don't even need that big of RAM on your laptop, because you are not the one handling the software.
How easy is this for the non-technical user to take advantage of? And what kind of costs are we looking at in terms of tokens? Because I know that's a big part of it, right?
Basically, within reach for everyone, provided you know what you want to build. So the point is, like I had said in the beginning, like your creativity is the limit. I presented how to use Claude Code, Casa, or any agent to create 3D designs, game environments, games, and anything 3D basically, with Blender and Unity using Claude Code or Casa. You can also use all the other agents.